Welcome you all to the lecture number 17 of Cauchy's differential equation. Now, the Cauchy's linear differential equation is in the form a0 x to the power n dny by dx to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 d to the power n minus 1 y into dx to the power n minus 1 plus and so on plus an into y is equal to f of x, where a0 to an are constant is called as Cauchy's linear differential equation. Now, what is the difference between linear differential equation with constant coefficient and this? Here we have x to the power n, x to the power n minus 1 and so on. So every differential coefficient is multiplied by x and its order power of this x is same as order of differential coefficient. So if it is d to the power n into y, so order of this derivative is nth order derivative. So this is also x to the power n. This is the Cauchy's linear differential equation. Now we cannot directly simplify this Cauchy's linear differential equation. We have to convert first it into linear differential equation with constant coefficient by using substitution. X is equal to e to the power z, and or z can be written as log of x, and x into dy by dx as dy by dz, which is nothing but d into y. X square into d2y by dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 into y. X cube into d cube y by dx cube is equal to d into d minus 1 d minus 2 into y. X to the power 4 d to the power 4y by dx to the power 4 is d into d minus 1 d minus 2 d minus 3 into y. So like this we substitute for x into dy by dx, x square into d2y by dx square as dy d into d minus 1 into y. Depending on the differential equation, we have to use this substitution. And finally solution is always y is equal to cf plus pi. But after finding out cf and pi, you have to resubstitute value of z, which is equal to log of x. So we are trying to convert the given differential equation in terms of y and x, then we convert it in terms of y and z, and after getting solution in terms of y and z, again we convert it in terms of y and x by using this substitution. Z is equal to log of x. So see one example. X square into d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to sine of log of x square. Now see how to identify this is a Cauchy's differential equation. Here power of differential coefficient is 2 and it is multiplied by x square. Here power of differential equation is 1, it is multiplied by x. So if this term is multiplied by x square or x differential coefficient, then it is nothing but Cauchy's linear differential equation. So we try to convert first into linear differential equation. So first put x is equal to e to the power z, and z is equal to, we get z is equal to log of x. Next, x into dy by dx is equal to d multiplied by y. Then second is x square into d2y by dx square is equal to d multiplied by d minus 1 into y. Only we want this two terms, so we write only x square into up to x square into d2y by dx square. Now substitute in given differential equation. It is d multiplied by d minus 1 into y. What is this d? D is a derivative with respect to z, differential coefficient with respect to z. So d into d minus 1 into y plus dy plus y is equal to sine of log of x square. What is x? E to the power z whole square. So we have to replace each and every x. Now this is taking y common, d into d minus 1 is d square minus d plus 1 multiplied by y is equal to sine of log of e to the power 2z, log of e to the power 2z. So this is equal to d get cancelled, d square plus 1 multiplied by y is equal to sine of logarithmic property is, it is 2z multiplied by log of e. So d square plus 1 multiplied by y is equal to log e is 1, so it is equal to sine 2z. Now this differential equation is linear differential equation with constant coefficient, but we want solution of original differential equation. So first we find out solution of this differential equation 2, and after resubstituting value of z as log x, we get solution of differential equation 1. So see, we have equation is d square plus 1 multiplied by y is equal to sine 2z. Now auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 is equal to 0, means or m square. So m square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1. So m is equal to plus minus I. If m is equal to plus minus I, how to write CF? CF can be written as e to the power alpha x, which is 0x, c1 cos of x plus c2 sin of x, because here alpha value is 0 and beta value is 1. So e to the power CF is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now what is x? X is nothing but e to the power z. So you can resubstitute value of z. So it is c1 cos of e to the power z plus c2 sin of e to the power z. C2 sin of e to the power z. This is a CF. Next, PI. CF we obtained it here, it as C1 cos of e to the power z plus C2 sin of e to the power z. Now PI. PI is equal to 1 upon d square plus 1 multiplied by sine 2z. Now here whatever PI we get, we use accordingly the general method, shortcut method or variation of parameter. You can use any one of the method. Now it here sine 2z term is there, so trigonometric term is there. So we can directly evaluate by using shortcut method. So what is the replacement for trigonometric term? Replace d square by minus of a square, which is equal to minus a is 2 square, which is minus 4. Now replace here d square by minus 4, it is equal to 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 multiplied by sine 2z, which is equal to sine 2z divided by minus 3. Now sine 2z by minus 3, but here we obtained in terms of minus sine 2z by minus 3. So what is z? Z is equal to minus 1 by 3 times sine of 2 times log of x. This is PI, and our CF is, in our CF, this is not x, this is z. This is z. So we have to substitute z. This is wrong. CF is equal to C1 cos of z, because independent variable is here z. So we get answer in terms of z. C1 cos of z plus C2 sin of z. Now C1 into cos of z value is log of x plus C2 into sin of log of x. So this is the CF, and finally solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. So CF is C1 cos of log of x plus C2 sin of log of x minus 1 by 3 times sin of 2 log of x. So this is the answer for the given problem. Thank you.